Show mom the box. Have to,
Cheez-Its, yummy.
show Derek the camera.
Oh, well, I got them all over before. Now I need to put them on. That's my leg.
Show it. Okay, ready? Hi.
Want some Cheez-Its?
Go get the Cheez-Its. Go get them. Go get them. Go get the Cheez-Its. Get them.
Oh.
Get them. Go get them.
I did it. It's like I'm taking the whole box. Thank you.
Give him a reward.
Here's Cracker. How about you with the box? Oh, God. You're such a dork. How about the dork?
Go for it. Go for the Cheez-Its.
That's a boy.
Oh. You made it halfway. Stand up. Rest it away. Ready? Go.
It goes right to the box.
Good job. You made it to the box. Okay, now watch this. Ready? Watch, here goes. Go back and get it.
Come get it.
Ready, Tiger? Go get it.
Want this? Walk. Walk. Got you. Saved your life. Here. You want one? No, you just want the box. Okay. How about the box? Ready? Set. Whee!
Cheez-Its. Watch where you're walking. You see him look back. His feet kept going.
Yep.
I think you saw them on your leg.
Like, wait, there's Jesus right there. Got you. Aww. Okay. Real. Oh, Papa's such a dork. Papa's a dork. Here, want one? Okay, you earned one. Here, Papa got one for you too. Oh, Papa. Go get the cracker. Go get it. Stand up. Go get it. The cracker.
You gonna put it back on there? He puts it back on top of it. Go like this and push it to the end.
Oh, I got the crackers.
Put it on top of it like I showed. Okay, go get the cracker.
I'm gonna the other one too. Easy, easy.